Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video I'm going to give you some downloads when it comes to working with people that aren't open to healings. So the key thing to understand is if somebody is not open to healings, if somebody doesn't give you verbal consent, then you can't do a healing on that person. It's their free will not to have it. So that's really important. So what we want to do is teach you what it feels like to recognize and accept another person's free will. Knowing how to recognize what you can change and what you can't change. Knowing how to allow the Creator to guide you when it comes to working on yourself in relation to others. And knowing how to work on yourself to release your attachment to other people healing. And knowing that it's safe and possible for you to do your healings on yourself, to allow yourself to be comfortable with other people's free will and choices. Knowing that you can accept other people's free will, knowing you can accept other people's choices, and that it's safe for you to make changes in yourself that can benefit other people. Knowing that it's safe for you to allow yourself to be the best version of yourself, and that you can allow yourself to be the most amazing healing, and knowing how to focus on yourself without feeling selfish. Knowing that it's okay for you to work on you and know that everybody else is taken care of. So if you'd like to receive these downloads, then just say yes and you'll receive them. Cool. So if you like this video, like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share it with your friends and family, people you think that can benefit from it. And I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Thank you.